So, hello guys, today I am going to tell you about the chapter Nutrition in Animals. It is a very easy chapter and is in the Ratna Sagar book of class 7th. This is the chapter 2. So, there are many definitions in this chapter. So, our first definition is ingestion. So, in this, ingestion is the taking in of food. It involves taking in the food through the mouth and eating it. So, in ingestion, we all eat food, we chew it by our teeth. There are different kinds of teeth, but we will discuss about this in our another video. So, first we chew the food. The saliva mixes with the food. Saliva is a type of acid which is secreted by the salivary glands present in our mouth. So, our mouth is also known as buccal cavity. So this is the definition of ingestion and also the explanation. So I am repeating the definition. Ingestion is the taking in of food by us and chewing it by our mouth. And you can write the proper definition this also that I have shown you in the screen. So our second definition is digestion. So digestion is the breakdown of food into simple soluble form with the help of digestive juices made in the body. There are many digestive juices that are made in our body. For example, HCl, the hydrochloric acid that is secreted in our stomach that helps in digestion of the food. So you can write this definition of digestion. So our next definition is absorption. So absorption is the process by which the food in the soluble form passes into the body fluids such as blood. So when the food is digested, it is absorbed by the body. The nutrients, the minerals that we get from food are very essential for us. This is why they are absorbed by our body. So can note down this definition by pausing the video, and if you don't understand, you can play back the video also. So our first definition is done, second is done, third is done. So this is our fourth definition, that is the last part of digestion, which is ingestion. Ingestion is the process of elimination of undigested solid parts of the body. It is a very essential process in the human body. Ingestion is done by our anus. So our third topic is nutrition in amoeba, hydra and frog. So this is our next topic, the unicellular. So first definition is of what? Amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. So some of you are thinking, what are unicellular organisms? Unicellular organisms are those organisms which are single celled, which are made up of only one cell. So can you categorize humans? Humans are not unicellular because we are made up of trillions, billions, millions of cells. So we are multicellular organism. So amoeba, the multicellular organism, no, unicellular organism, engulfs tiny particles of food by throwing its false feet, known as fusopodia, around it. So its pronunciation is pseudopodia. P is silent. So this is like amoeba, and this is its food or prey. So it engulfs it by throwing its false feet, known as fusopodia or pseudopodia. This is its false feet, and this is separating out from its body and catching the prey. So what after when it throws its false feet? around it. The pseudopodia joins together to form a small cavity known as a food vacuole. The amoeba, the pseudopodia when joins, is called the food vacuole. So what is this known? This is known as the food vacuole. It is a very easy topic. And then the food inside the vacuole is digested by the digestive juices. Most of the organisms have digestive juices in the body to digest and absorb the nutrients and the minerals from the food. And the digestive juices, it is absorbed and assimilated there to provide energy and perform other functions. So when it is digested by the digestive juices, it is then absorbed like in human digestion and assimilated to provide them energy and perform other functions. So this is our amoeba's nutrition. So our second nutrition is of Hydra. Hydra is a multicellular. I tell you, multicellular organisms are those that are made up of multiple cells. Hydra is a simple multicellular organism or animal, we can say. It has a number of tentacles around its mouth. So it is like a plant, this is Hydra. It has number of tentacles around its mouth used for ingestion of food, means chewing of food. We have learned the definition of ingestion. So the tentacles around its mouth are used for the ingestion of food. This can you note down in your notebook. The tentacles entangle small aquatic animals and kill them with their stinging cells. They push them into the mouth inside the body cavity. The digestive juices secreted by the surrounding cells help to digest the food. This is then absorbed through the cavity walls and assimilated in the cells. So what happens? The tentacles entangle, means trap small aquatic animals and kill them with their stinging cells. For example, the honeybees have stings. These type of stinging cells are there or are present in the Hydra's body, a multicellular animal organism. It kills the aquatic animals by these stinging cells. They push them into the mouth inside the body cavity. The digestive juices secreted by the surrounding cells help to digest the food, and then it is absorbed by the cavity walls and assimilated in the cells. So this was the digestion process of Hydra. And the last but not the least definition is of frog. The frog uses its long sticky tongue to catch insects. So frogs have a well developed digestive system in which food is digested with the help of digestive juices. Frogs you have seen that in cartoons also, that frogs have a long sticky tongue from which it catches the bees. Okay, from its long sticky tongue it catches the insects. Frogs have a well developed digestive system in which food is digested with the help of our digested juices. So see that in humans also the food is digested by digestive juices, in frog also, in amoeba also, and in Hydra also. So I have said that most living organisms use digestive juices to digest their food. So in this video we will discuss this only. You can revise it. I will take this second part in our next video. So take care and goodbye. Like and subscribe my channel for these type of contents. Bye.